one of our main goals at Poetry is to help talent acquisition recruiters to really shift from being transactional to being genuine talent advisors. And one of the things that we've been asked about over the last really 6 months more regularly is how can we help recruiters to understand when the rec goes live, what are the different options for the company that might be an alternative to directly hiring for a replacement. So let me show you what we've done within our popular research solution. In here, I click create, and then I can choose research related to any team, job title, and location that I've got stored in here. It's very easy to add new ones in if you need. We've got 3 main categories of research. So there's research about jobs, research about companies, and insights. So automation potential is the new solution that is in here. So let's say I'm looking for, it's an engineering job. It is a software engineer. It's based in Bournemouth. Click automation potential, run research. And this is going to take a couple of seconds to really analyze what are the tasks in this job, and is the right thing to do directly hire for this. So the suggestion is that this job is augmented. It's partially tech, partially human. Here's some justification for the answer, bit of a breakdown of the tasks that need to be done by humans and could be done by technology, and a summary. Let me do another one. Create research. It is a, let's say, a tax job, tax compliance officer based in Geneva. Again, so I go to insights, automation potential, run research. And again, it'll just take a couple of seconds to determine the tasks in this type of job. Now, if you've uploaded all your job descriptions in here, then it's going to do an even more thorough job of reviewing this as an option. So again, augmented, tech and human, justification, breakdown of the tasks that can be done by technology, can be done by humans, and summary. Okay, let's just do one more. Create research. Let's choose a healthcare job. Dentists based in Darwin, Australia. Automation potential. The location doesn't really matter, to be honest, in terms of this aspect of the research. I suspect I know what the answer is going to be here. Okay, so it's human-led. Justification. There's much less that can be done by technology with a summary. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do quickly is just show you what happens when I choose all the research. So it's a design job, it's a product designer, it's based in, let's choose London. If I click run research, without selecting individual pieces of research, this is going to go through everything. It's going to give me all of the different options. So in terms of jobs, similar job titles, relevant courses, salary range and benefits. We, of course, use a large language model. We've done extensive prompt engineering, and we use third-party APIs to really enrich the information that we can generate. Okay, so that's been done now. Go to jobs. The challenges and responsibilities, recommended skills and qualifications, salary range and benefits according to Glassdoor, PayScale, and Indeed, similar job titles, relevant courses in London, and job board suggestions for hiring for this type of job. Companies. The characteristics of employers that hire for this in London, the companies with the best career opportunities, the largest employers. Now, there's a large tech emphasis because this is based on my company's workspace. And of course, my company's a technology business. So it's looking for the most relevant sort of to our organization. And insights, there's the automation potential for this job, remote work trends, diversity trends, job and industry insights, commutable locations where there are hotspots of people that can do this job, turnover and growth rates, and demand v supply. I hope that's interesting. I'd love to know what you think.